Hi, everyone. We will do an overview of this template together. Um, you have a menu at the left side to quick access pages or add from buttons. In the template, there will be a written guide for easy onboarding and a FAQ page. Total balance. Starting from the top, you have a summary of your total balance from all your accounts. Bank accounts. This is the section for all your accounts. You can delete or add some by just clicking the plus button. And you can also decide if you want to insert a starting balance. In each of your accounts, you can preview your incomes, expenses, and your actual balance, which will be red if negative and green if positive. Insights. You can preview your balance from graph views. In the first, an overview of your balance through months. In the second, the income expenses comparison. Categories. You can add, remove categories, or even add a custom budget for each category to track what's still left in the current month, or you can also compare with last month. Goals. To create new goals, you can simply add from this button. You can set an initial balance when adding funds and input your target amount for this goal. Then, you can add funds by directly adding savings into your goal. Once the goal is reached, you can mark it as completed. And if funds were transferred from an account, they will return to the original account. Subscriptions. Here, you will track your subscriptions or your payment debts, where you can check what's left and how many payments remain. You can add a new subscription from here or add directly an existing subscription from a transaction. You can preview some detailed monthly or yearly charts divided by categories. So you can easily check the total incomes and expenses for each category, or preview the specific incomes, expenses, and the balance for each month and year. Also, as you can see, there's the 50-30-20 rule for needs, wishes, and savings to optimize your finances. This will show in a smarter way if positive or negative by colors, as you can see. Transactions. Here you can preview all the transactions divided by current, last month, this year, or all. You have multiple options to add new transactions. Manually from button or from the database, import from a CSV, from bank integration, from iOS shortcuts or widgets by scanning a receipt or a screenshot, or adding manually but fast from your iPhone, from a receipt document using AI, from Notion Form 1. So let's go through them. To insert manually from a button or from a database, you can do it from here. The system will recognize if it's an expense or an income from the symbol before the number, so you don't have to worry. It's important after you select the date to input the month. This will make the detailed insights work well. If you bought the Pro plan, there will be integrated automations that will automatically add the relative month relation for you. If you are on the free or plus plan, you will have to do this manually. If the transaction has a recurring payment, you can mark it here and add a subscription if existing. Then the template will automatically calculate your next reminders about upcoming payments and mark them as paid or cancel them. Keep in mind that every added transaction will need approval, so you don't risk messing with the database. After you add the transaction, you just go to the It Reviews Transaction House and Ace page and approve manually. Once approved, they will be shown on the main database. With the new update from Notion, importing from a CSV becomes much easier. You can just grab your CSV from your bank and import it to the main transactions database. Once imported, select and connect the relative properties. Bank integration. I will make another video where I will explain how to set up and connect your banks to have synced transactions automatically. But don't worry. If you are buying this template, there will be a written guide inside to show how to set it up correctly. But let me show you how bank integration works. Now, let's see how shortcuts work. First of all, this is specific for iOS users. The shortcuts you will get with the Pro plan are meant to create new transaction expenses by scanning and detecting receipts or screenshots, or from manual input. It's a fast and easy way to add new entries from your phone wherever you are. The last way to add a transaction is with a Notion form. First, go to the transactions database and make any changes with caution because this is a critical area, the brain of your template. Once there, click the form and you'll be able to share the link across your devices to add transactions. This is how it looks. As you can see here, there is another feature, Duplicate Finder Remover, a tool I built to remove duplicate transactions with the same name, date, and amount. Now let's go back to the dashboard, and I will show you the last feature, Transfer Balance. Basically, you can transfer funds between your accounts in 1 minute. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.